UTeach was appealing because they offered scholarships, and it was here local, and it was something that I could do as a student, full-time student / mom / part-time worker. It was something that I could incorporate into my busy life.
But we were able to get a lot of hands-on experience and one-on-one personalized training. So I was able to pick up lessons, learn some management skills to help me run my classroom. I've met a lot of amazing people throughout this journey, especially going through conferences and doing things that UTeach sponsors as well.
UTPB has a great support system. All of the faculty, not just UTeach, but all of the science faculty, my advisor, have all greatly helped. Any questions or issues that I've had, everyone's approachable. I can easily reach out. I've had no issues with them. They've been a great help, a blessing.
But there's just a lot of opportunities for them to do teaching, but also move into leadership positions later when they get out. Schools really like to hire them because they're very good teachers.
But also it has helped my students. I've noticed that they are able to explain things better. I see their interaction with other students, with their peers, and whenever we have outreach events or we're talking with other students that are not STEM, they're able to better explain and talk about the program and STEM itself.
It's impacting it by reassuring me that I have a place here in this world and that I will have a guaranteed job here once I graduate. Join UTeach. It is a great opportunity and it can guarantee you a job outside of college.
It's got a really good student to professor ratio, so you're able to develop really good relationships with faculty here. And I'd say that's a really big selling point. I know it's going to help me in the future. So.
I grew interest in teaching after I took a position as a co-teacher here locally, and I thought, what a perfect opportunity to already be going back to school and to get the chance to become a certified teacher.